This is a 1973 Triumph Stag Mark II, 183 cubic inch V8. Nice little power plant for this Triumph. It was introduced in 1971 and it continued to be imported through 1973. Very tidy. The car itself was designed by Michelotti. Very nicely done. And this is the convertible version. Beautiful condition. This is at a British car meet in Sanford. Notice the roll bar here. And the framing of the front glass. Now, I was talking to the owner, and this is not the Rover V8, one that originally was a Buick V8. This is not that. It's evidently Triumph's own design. Very nice.